The average commuting time for Koreans this year was found to be over 70 minutes per day, while the Seoul metropolitan area recorded the longest commuting time at 1 hour and 22 minutes, according to Statistics Korea.
통계청 자료에 따르면 올해 우리나라 통근 근로자의 평균 출퇴근 시간은 70분이 넘었으며 수도권 직장인의 하루 통근 시간은 1시간 22분으로 전국에서 가장 긴 것으로 나타났습니다. A lot of people spending hours commuting on the road.
And bad news if you live in the Seoul area because you're spending longer than everyone else on average.
That's right.
So the national average was 73.9 minutes for this year, but Seoul's average was 82 minutes. High traffic congestion was the reason for it, according to one agency official. If you're in your 30s, you've got the longest commute time at around 76.9 minutes. As you get older, luckily so for us, our commuting time is meant to get shorter. But if you've got preschool kids, it gets longer. They had one of the longest times, 77 minutes. That's longer than those without young children, whose average was about 73.7 minutes.
I guess it really has to do with where you decide to live. If you have children, you might choose to live in a certain area that's better for the kids, but it's further away from your workplace. And people in their 30s, perhaps, they don't mind living quite far away because they don't have enough money to buy homes near their workplace.
Yeah, and I have no idea what my average is because my commute this morning was 20 minutes. My commute tomorrow will be 2 hours going to Dongducheon.
Oh my goodness. 그렇습니다. 수도권이 평균적으로 가장 통근 시간이 길기는 했습니다만 아무래도 개인 차는 다 있겠죠. 자, 첫 번째 표현을 좀 볼까요? 이런 통근 시간을 여기서 commuting time이라고 했어요.
Yes, commuting time or to commute basically means to travel, but you're traveling from one place to another and back again. And we will almost always use this from home to work and work to home. So we talk about commuting to work or how long is your commute? That is the time it takes you to get to work or get back from work.
Is commuting a gerund in this case? Commuting time? I'm not
Why
sure.
are you teasing me with the gerunds? I don't have an answer to your question right now, Sue.
Right, because you could we just change this to the average commute time?
Absolutely, yeah. That's what I would say normally.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. 그래요. 여기서 commute time이라고 해도 전혀 달라지지 않아요. 둘 다 똑같이 통근, 출퇴근이라는 의미가 되겠습니다. 그래서 질문을 한다면은 How long does it take you to commute? To commute to work?
Yeah, you say
commute to work.
Yeah, or how long is your commute is
How
the other
long
way of
is your
saying
commute? 이렇게 질문하면 되겠네요. 그러면 이제 물어보는 거예요. 서로 이 질문 한번 해보시면 통근 시간 얼마나 되세요? 길에서 얼마나 시간을 보내세요? How long is your commute?
Yeah.
그래서 지금 선생님은 아까 20분 정도 말씀하셨고
Today.
오늘은 그런 거죠. 왜냐하면 트래픽가 없기 때문에.
Yeah.
네,
And tomorrow it's 2 hours.
2 hours tomorrow. So on average more than an hour for you.
Yeah, as a freelancer you end up not really commuting because you're always traveling to different places as opposed to the same workplace every day.
Same for me actually, because sometimes, I live not too far away from EBS, so it doesn't take me that long to get here. But when I have other work in other parts of Seoul, it takes me hours.
Absolutely, but that's the joy of living in a big city like this one.
That's right. What about the word to record?
Yes, to record means to note, to make a note of something, to write it down, to store that information. So here we're not talking about a record like a record breaker, you're breaking a record. Here we're just talking about we've noted down that information. Here the Seoul metropolitan area recorded the longest commuting time. We wrote it down, we stored that information to say, yep, in Seoul people travel further and for longer.
네, 자, to record라는 건 기록한다라는 뜻이 있죠. 그리고 조금 전에 제가 문법 설명을 on the spot로 갑자기 선생님한테 드려서 좀 죄송했는데.
Thanks a lot.
네, 문법에서
It's not the gerunds again. I can't even say it properly.
gerund는 동명사예요. 그래서 여기서는 commuting time, time이 commuting 하는 건 아니잖아요. 그래서 commuting, like swimming 이런 것처럼 하나의 명사인데 그런 이제 ing 형태를 띠고 있다. 이렇게 간단하게 설명을 드릴 수 있을 것 같고 이 경우는 그냥 commute time, commuting time 다 마찬가지고요. 그냥 how long is your commute처럼 하나의 단어로 그냥 탁 쓰는 경우도 많습니다.
네.
자, 제가 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. The average commuting time for Koreans this year was found to be over 70 minutes per day, while the Seoul metropolitan area recorded the longest commuting time at 1 hour and 22 minutes, according to Statistics Korea. Let's move on to the next headline.